The National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA, is like a big team in the United States that started in 1958. They focus on studying and creating things like vehicles and tools for exploring space, both near Earth and far away. One of the things NASA is super famous for is when they sent people to the moon in 1969. But they do a lot more than that. NASA also sends cool missions to explore other parts of our solar system. For example, they sent a spacecraft called New Horizons to check out Pluto, which is really far away. The neat thing is, a lot of the stuff NASA invents for space ends up being useful here on Earth too. Things like Teflon, that stuff that makes pans not stick, and memory foam, the squishy stuff in pillows and mattresses, were first invented for astronauts, but now we all get to use them. So, NASA isn't just about space. They're also helping make life better for us here on our planet. Super Earth. Astronomers have made an exciting discovery. They've found a new planet that might just be able to support life. This planet goes by the name TOI 715B, and it's what scientists call a super Earth. That means it's bigger than our planet, but not as big as huge gas planets like Jupiter. TOI 715B isn't just floating around in space on its own. It's actually orbiting around a type of star called a red dwarf. These stars are smaller and cooler than our sun. What's really cool is that this planet isn't ridiculously far away. It's only about 137 light-years away from us. Now, in terms of space distances, that's pretty close. Because it's relatively nearby, astronomers have a better chance of studying TOI 715B in more detail using telescopes. This discovery opens up a whole new window for us to learn about planets outside our solar system, and maybe even find out if there's life out there beyond Earth. Exciting times ahead for space exploration. The star and its planet. The star that TOI 715B orbits is kind of like a cousin to our sun. It's similar in many ways, but just a tad smaller. Scientists usually refer to stars like this as yellow dwarfs. This star is approximately 280 light-years away from us. Despite its distance, this yellow dwarf is the home star for TOI 715B, the planet we're interested in. Tease as if they're flying through space together, with the star providing the planet with the light and warmth it requires to survive. Even though we can't see them up close, knowing they're out there adds to the wonder and mystery of the universe. Characteristics of TOI 715B is extremely impressive due to its size. It's larger than Earth, but not too much bigger. Scientists think it's about 2.5 times the size of our planet. This suggests that TOI 715B probably has a solid surface, much like Earth, instead of being a huge ball of gas like Jupiter. This resemblance in size and potential composition raises some interesting factors. Could TOI 715B have mountains, valleys, and oceans like Earth? Is there a chance it could support life? Scientists are eager to learn more about this amazing super Earth, orbiting in the habitable zone. There is a unique location for TOI 715B in its solar system. Precisely circling its star, it lies within what scientists refer to as the Goldilocks zone, or the habitable zone. This is the area surrounding a star where the planet's surface may be suitable for the existence of liquid water. Further, water is essential to life as we know it. The hunt for life. Scientists believe the idea of life on Mars to be very thrilling. In order to determine if TOI 715B is a habitable planet or just a rocky desert, scientists are excited to investigate and learn more about it. They investigate the planet and its atmosphere, if they have one, using large telescopes and space missions to achieve this. What we don't know. We still don't know a lot about TOI 715B, despite all the passion. For example, we're not quite aware of its exact structure. Like Earth, is it primarily made of rocks? Or are there other elements there as well? In addition, its atmosphere, which is essential for maintaining constant temperatures and other environmental conditions, may not exist. Studying TOI 715B, scientists are on a mission to learn more about TOI 715B. They use telescopes to observe the planet and gather data. They search for evidence of an atmosphere, examine its size and orbit, and try to determine if it is capable of maintaining life. TOI 715B represents a new frontier in our exploration of the cosmos. We can learn more about the universe and our position in it by discovering planets like this one. The idea of what might exist outside of our solar system piques our interest and stimulates our imagination. In short, the planet TOI 715B is an interesting world around a distant star. It has the ability to provide more information about the possibility of life beyond Earth as a super-Earth in the habitable zone. Scientists are working to understand TOI 715B, even if there is still a lot we don't know. This research could help us discover other living worlds similar to our own and explain some of the universe's greatest mysteries. NASA face crisis. NASA has faced a number of crises in its history, including the loss of astronauts and aircraft in the Challenger tragedy in 1986 and the Columbia emergency in 2003. NASA's approach to spaceflight saw significant adjustments as a result of these crises, which forced the agency to review its safety policies and procedures. NASA's focus has changed in recent years to deep space exploration, with programs like the Artemis program intending to send astronauts back to Mars after they have visited the Moon. Collaboration with commercial space companies. In addition, NASA has worked with commercial space companies to create creativity and spacecraft, like the SpaceX Crew Dragon, which has allowed NASA to start operating crewed space missions again from the USA.